I'm just playing a little guitar here. How you doing? And I was thinking about my grandpa. I was thinking about Nima Shomas' grandpa. My grandpa went to boarding school. He went to Flandreau Indian School back in the day. And if you ever wonder why more of us don't speak Ojibwe, a lot of that can be traced back to the boarding school era. When my grandpa went to boarding school, it was strictly forbidden to speak Ojibwe at all. You know, they tried to, they had a mission at the school there that say to save the child by killing the Indian. And so they tried to make the kids forget that they were Anishinaabe, and they wouldn't allow them to speak their language or, have long hair or any of that. So I wrote a song. This song is called Home, and it's about my grandpa who was born in 1913, and it's called Home.
Storm of 1913, but then at boarding school I was nobody's fool. Down at Flandreau I grew madder every day. That's why I had to run away. This is no way to live. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. And on a fateful day, me and my brother Ray, we planned our getaway. If we can make it to the tracks, we won't be coming back. We're gonna hop a train. I thought we got away, but then the cops came and took us back. They took us back. But I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I said I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go home. I wanna go.
Let's see, how can we start?
Well, I guess I'll just sort of, I can like look around, like pretend we're talking while the music's going on and that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, BOOZHOO! BOOZHOO ni Anishinabe du. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO. And, just want to make a quick announcement. There's a new album of songs out, and it's called Rock and Roll All Night Podcast Every Day. And it's just some songs. It's a whole bunch of songs we did recently on this podcast. So click on over and listen to some music from this sweetie.
I'll get out of here. Yeah, okay. And miigwech. I will see you again. Igo abamin, minawa. Oh, All right, that was pretty easy.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to lie to you, I've read this like 3 times already and I keep having to start over because it chokes me up. It brings a tear to me eye, as they would say in Ireland. But okay, so I'm going to read this. This is What I Meant to Say by Michael Murphy for Thanksgiving. What I meant to say. What I meant to say was, how can I possibly say goodbye to the person who was the first to hold me, the first to feed me, and the first to make me feel loved? From a distance, I watched you move about, doing the mundane tasks that to everyone else seemed so routine. But for me, the tasks you lovingly completed year after year built and reinforced the foundation, the structure that made my world a safe and comfortable place to grow. All that I am and all that I have can be traced back to you. Whatever accomplishments I have made along the way would not have occurred without first believing in myself. And you were the person who always believed in me. Now on my own, I am amazed at the number of times I hear your words flow from my mouth. This ventriloquist phenomenon was at first most irritating, but now warms me as I've come to understand that there is a part of you that will live on in me forever. When time parts us, I pray that you will reach across from the other side again to touch my face and whisper in my ear, for your warm and gentle presence in my life. For this, I will always be most thankful. Yes, Mother, you inspire me. Kawa. Izagain, Mama. I love you. Okay, I got through it. Miigwech. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO. Oh, wow.